Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Avon, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're moving over state lines, you're dealing with long-distance moves. Long-distance moves are those that go more than 50 miles. Long travel distances equate to higher moving costs for a long-distance relocation. Licensed and skilled long-distance movers like ours are essential for a stress-free long-distance moving experience. Apart from the comparatively higher costs, it is more emotionally and physically draining. Tasks such as boxing and packing fragile items and lifting heavy loads into the van are particularly time-consuming. But with 3 movers handling these tasks, you'll be on your way to a new apartment space as quickly as possible. Our movers regularly undergo training to improve their skills to serve clients better, and they also have all the essential permits and renew them as often as needed. Our local moving service is equally as comprehensive as our long-distance moving services. We follow our clients' specific requirements when executing a local relocation. Also, we charge on an hourly basis ranging from $30 to $40 an hour. The exact amount you'll pay depends on the number of movers and the number of hours required to transport your items. We hire drivers who know the routes around Avon to take charge of local relocations so that they can quickly get to your new home or office on schedule. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Avon moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.